Well, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to Tserok, Tibetan camp, which is near Marpa. Let's see what's there. Let's explore. So my friends and my colleagues are coming with us, with me, and we are on the way there. The river that you can see is Kali Gandaki. So let's see what's there. Today weather is very good. Last year, because of this river, this road got damaged. Now already it's now we reach Tibetan camp. Finally we reached here. So this. Now I'm going to show you the Tibetan camp. Even though this is not that big, but then beautiful. Now this is Tibetan Tserok camp, Tibetan settlement. There's 3 different blocks. This one is first and second one is down there. So my friend is going there. So let's see. So this is second block. 3 different blocks of this game, even though it's not that big. But people are enjoying their lifestyle there. I heard most of young and elder, most of young went to abroad country, I heard, and only there's few old elders are there, few only. So that one is there again. So we are going down the 3rd block, which is down there. So let's see. Algeria. Come. Spend that with time. So that. Yeah, this one is the first block. I don't know. It's correct code to see block or not. So this one is first. And up there is 3rd, 2nd, and up there is the 1st. So that's it. Not that big, but it's beautiful. So this is the way to go outside. I must say it's main entrance way to Tibetan settlement. So this is Tibetan area, and courtyard, the boundary that you can see. That's big trees, which is not Tibetan camp. So this is Nepal government place, government land. So there's nothing to do with them. So this area, from this area, this side, it belongs to Tibetan. So early in the morning, people coming inside to work. Let's explore more. So we are going up swimming pool of Tserok. It's not exactly swimming pool, but they have very good water because water falling is up there. So because of this beautiful natural water, they made a pond which the people go to swim sometimes. So we just come here to see. Beautiful, so beautiful. As you can see, the camera is not that good, that's why I'm not be able to show you the water falling. Yeah, this is inside. They made a small pond which looks like swimming pool. Just before my friend we enjoy swimming, but it's not that clean. But water is really natural. It's natural. There's nothing, there's no chemicals, there's nothing to do with it. It's just water falling. It's just really good water. See the area. beautiful scenic view of Tserok. This up to the village. So when if you're visiting here, don't forget to visit this side. It's very beautiful. See, let me show you how they join the water. See, this is natural water, so clean, so drinkable. There's no chemicals. It looks very, very clean. Today weather is also very good. That's what I see my friend enjoy. And one of my friends, he's taking pictures. He's a big boss. See, you can see waterfall in here. Due to bad camera of my phone, I'm not be able to zoom in and out well. So let's go back. So we're going back. See, wow, so beautiful. See, one of the monkeys playing there. He's enjoying himself. He's so excited on the right. See, he's enjoying. Now let me zoom in. Let me zoom in a little bit, so you can see. No, not be able to. I don't think this will work. Okay, going back now. Going back. Hope you will like it. See, let me show you more. See, one of my friend, he is top of the trees. He climbed. It was very risky though, but he enjoyed climbing up there. And now I'm taking video. I don't know how he come down. Hope nothing get out. He's coming down now. So this beautiful trees, and it's very old. If I'm a good cameraman, if I'm a good photographer, or I have a good photo, camera, then I can take lots of beautiful pictures and lots of beautiful videos. But due to not have a good camera and not have experience how to take, so I was not be able to show you so well. But then I tried my best to make you happy and make you enjoy it. So now we are going up because today is Wednesday. So Wednesday means His Holiness Dalai Lama's Lakar. I don't know English exact term. Lakar is supposed to be a day of His Holiness Dalai Lama. So every Wednesday, people of Tibetan they offer song and pray long life prayers of His Holiness. So we are going out there. So every code is ready now. See people see there. So they are getting ready to offer song and prayers, long life prayers of His Holiness Dalai Lama. So every Wednesday people of Tibetan does. So if you are not Tibetan, this will be a sort of a new news. If you are Tibetan, then people of Tibetan knows that Wednesday is something special for all. So let's Dalai Lama pray. Let me show you how this. See this beautiful Tserok game area. So I'm going down now. Hope you like it, my video, and my friend is also enjoying the tree and taking videos, taking pictures. This beautiful scenic view of Tserok. the jewel. This twist looks very amazing. That's what I took.